Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal and today I'm going to be doing some first impressions of some makeup I just bought. So I have the BareMinerals Original in the shade Fair 01. I love BareMinerals. I've actually used this product before. I don't think I've had this exact shade. The last time I used BareMinerals I was a lot tanner, so I think I had like the medium beige or something like that. But I haven't used it since high school. I've heard a lot of great things about this foundation. It's the Cover X Power Play Foundation, and I got the shade N20. I haven't opened it. I haven't tested the shade. I'm not 100% if it's going to work for me. I bought it online, so we'll see. The pictures never do the color justice, but I also got this beauty. It's the Shade and Light Brush, and by Kat Von D. And I'm so excited because I needed a new contour brush really bad. So I bought a new one and I'm super excited. If I can open it, maybe. Ooh, it comes with the case, you guys. Like, look at this shit. Oh, I'm so excited. I like it. All right, you guys, let's get started. Before I put that Cover X foundation on my face, I'm gonna prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And I really hope this foundation is my shade because that would be a real bummer. It's one thing I hate about buying things online, but so goddamn convenient. Alright, now that we have our face primed, we're gonna open the box. Wow. So right off the bat, I'm just noticing that it's a plastic bottle, which is fine. I think I paid $40 for this foundation. That's how much I got. This better be the tits because I've heard really good things about this foundation and kind of why I bought it. Okay, so the plastic makes sense. It's like a squeeze tube. So I didn't put on as much as I normally do, but I'm making the assumption that this foundation is a lot better and I'm not going to need as much as my $5 foundation. We'll see. But so far it looks like the shade is going to work really well for my skin tone. Okay. I definitely was right. A little bit goes a long way. Yeah, I would say this is definitely a full coverage foundation. And this shade actually matches my skin tone. I tend to buy a little bit darker for whatever reason. I think I'm just like, yeah, bitch, this is my skin tone, but it's not. So this foundation said it was for all skin types, but right off the bat I'm just noticing that it's most definitely probably not for dry skin. My skin was a little bit dry this morning and it's kind of shining through with that. I have combination skin. Sometimes I'm oily, sometimes I'm dry. It just really depends on like the weather outside, what I'm doing, what I did the day before, things like that. But my skin feels really dry right now. So this foundation isn't very smooth, but I do like it. I mean, it's full coverage for sure. I'm actually, it matches my skin tone perfectly. And yeah, I definitely recommend it for someone. Not for anyone with dry skin, but definitely someone with combination skin or oily skin. God, I feel like I look so pale, but like this is my skin tone. Ugh. I just use way too dark of a foundation. I'm just going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Powder in the shade Brunette. And then before I use the BareMinerals foundation powder, I'm going to put on some concealer because I don't want it to be cakey if I put it on after. Alright. Now we're going to use the BareMinerals. I don't know why I tapped on the lid because it's not even fucking open yet. Oh wow, they changed up their little system here. The last time I used it, it was just like the little pull-off thing. And now this is like a plastic pull-off. thingy. Maybe. This is not easy with nails, y'all. Boom. Oh my god, and you can open and close it. Shut the fuck up. That is so epic. Let's see if I can get this so you guys can see it. Closed. Tits, dude, tits. I love that little feature. It's something really small, but it makes a huge difference. So I just dumped mine out. I actually use this NYX. I used to have this mattifying powder, and I just now use this to pour my powder in and apply it to my brush. Just a little bit easier application. Now we're just going to blend that all over the face, except for like right under the under eyes. Super biased because I love all Bare Mineral products, but it's smoothing out really nicely, matches my skin tone. Did give me a little bit of color, thank god. I just felt like I was like white, and now I have like a little bit of like beigeiness to my skin tone. I don't know. Now we're gonna go in and contour. I'm gonna go in with my medium contour, and I'm gonna use the shade side, the angled brush side of the Shade and Light contour brush. I'm so excited. This brush is seriously, I can just tell it's gonna be so soft. Wow. I am so amazed. Like, what? My fucking contour brush that I have sucks. Don't buy it. This one, tits. Wow. I don't know where this brush has been my whole life, but I'm so happy I have it now. It literally just applies perfectly. There's no harsh lines in it. This brush is so soft, like a baby's butt. And I mean, you see this shit, look at that line. Okay. Wow, it just blends so smoothly and nicely. And just for the sake of the video, we are gonna also contour on the jawline. And I've decided I'm like never gonna contour my nose again. I have like a nose contour horror story, and I contoured my nose, and I don't know why or how, but then I was taking photos and it literally looked like my nose was so long, like so long. I don't know how I did it. I like did it how I normally contour, and so after that, until I figure it out, dude, I'm not doing it because I was literally so distraught after that. I'm gonna take my dark contour and I'm going to just darken up my cheekbones a little bit here. Little bronzer. And now I'm gonna use the light side of the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. I'm gonna take my highlight. Yes! Wow. That's it. Like, yes, bitch, fuck it up. And this brush is just a little bit too big to contour my nose. I'm gonna do the chin. And forehead. And lately I've been using my blending shadow brush to highlight my nose. So yeah, I'm super thrilled. I love all of these products. I hope you enjoyed these first impressions, and I hope that it's kind of given you a good idea of what these products are and how well they work. My least favorite product is probably going to be that Cover FX, just because I spent like $40 on this and I was expecting it to like be a whole new face for me, you know what I'm saying? So but it wasn't. And the BareMinerals powder, I'm completely biased. I love all BareMinerals products. It's hard for me not to love this product. I used this in high school. This was like my go-to foundation. I had the whole kit. I had the bronzer, the blush, like everything, the setting powder, everything. And then the shade in Contour Brush by Kat Von D. Amazing. This is my favorite product that I got so far in this little haul that I got. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this first impressions video. I hope you enjoyed the products that I had in the first impressions video as well. I'm going to include all of the product links down in the description below. I believe I found Amazon links for all these products that are a lot cheaper than like Sephora or Ulta. So definitely click those links below, give them a try. And if you like this video, don't forget to push like and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If there's something that you would really like me to see me try out, then definitely leave me a comment and let me know. And I would love to get that product and show you guys. That being said, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you in my next video.